अस्सलाम वालेकुम। तारिक होकर वन पॉइंट एजेंडा के साथ पिछले 2-3 क्लिप कुछ मैं सही रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं कर सका। पाकिस्तान की जमातें सियासी और मजहबी सब के सब 100%, 1000% नाकाम हैं। देखें ना, क्या नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम का दीन नाकाम है? दीन इज द पॉलिटिक्स. So what is the reason why the political the parties, they are the Muslims, but they claim they're not the religious. So who claims the religious political party is supposed to be they're the best? Because Deen is a religion. Deen by itself is the Quran, ahkamat Quran and Sunnah, the guideline of the politics, the real democracy. The real democracy is basically came from the Adam, and we have no choice to understand, to blame. Yes, I do have a fully right to blame the completely failure. They don't know how to dig the way of the Sirat al-Mustaqim. Because Sirat al-Mustaqim is only the one way. There is no two way Sirat al-Mustaqim. Sirat al-Mustaqim is the one way. Only one way. So our civil is too many to dig out the Sirat al-Mustaqim. So the agenda, siyasi political party, Muslim League, totally failed. From the original, the idea of Do Qaumi Nazariya completely failed. Because their leader was Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Rishmi Rumal, Ulama-e Karam, those are beautiful, the best people. 1857 में हजारों लाखों उलमा को मारा गया. They are the best. उस ज़माने में मेटेरियलिस्टिक लाइफ, लालच नहीं थी. इवन मैं जब ग्रो अप हुआ तो हमारे उलमा, यानी आज से 20-25 साल पहले भी बड़े टॉप के उलमा कराम को हिर्ज नहीं थी, लालच नहीं थी. But when I grow up in America and I seen every second Maulvi, very good people. I'm not against the Maulvi, but they have too many wishes. Once you have too many wishes, you have to grab. Once you grab, you're gone. You compromise. You compromise with the Deen of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I don't compromise. I'm not a Maulvi. I'm not the political siyasi like the other, but I am purely belong to the Deen Islam, the real politics. No one can compromise me. Not even in America. They offer me millions of times. I had a horrible time after 9/11 until 2015. I was